Start.
Good morning, dear students. Today we are discussing about the hotel and its style. If we talk about hotel, what is hotel? Hotel is a place. Hotel is a place where bona fide. Bona fide. Bona fide means bona fide. A traveler who comes with a identity card or with a Aadhaar card, we call it bona fide. Hotel is a place where bona fide traveler can get food and shelter. We call it hotel. Hotel is responsible for providing the food and shelter. Shelter means a ceiling. Shelter means a ceiling provided to the guest. In the pair of money, if the guest is drink or disorder, the hotel have right to refuse the guest is ousted from the hotel. So if we come on the resorts, it's basically the types of hotel. Resorts hotels are those hotels which are situated in the hills area and natural places and man-made site, like as Waterfall Resort and Niagara Falls Resorts and Miami Beach Resorts are the best example of resort hotels. If we are talk about the boat houses is basically found in sea area which is very cheaper accommodations. And cruise liner is also a type of hotel which is found in the sea area. Cruise liners, Star Cruise and Taj Cruise are the best example of cruise liner. If we talk about downtown hotels are those hotels which are situated in the center of the city, like center of the Delhi or the Centaur Hotel situated in Delhi, and these examples. If we talk about motels are those hotels which are situated at the road junctions and main highway. And petrol pump facility is also given with the hotel. If we talk about the guest house is provide a very cheaper accommodations, and we can see a guest house is all over the cities of India. If we talk about heritage, nowadays historical places are converted into heritage hotels, like Rambagh Palace, Jaipur is the best example of this heritage hotels. Inns is a very famous trend in India nowadays, because few inns are given very cheaper accommodations, and inns are related to the religious places like Haridwar. You find over there a lot of inns. And if we talk about suburban hotels are those hotels which are situated outskirts of the city. We call it suburban. So thank you. This is our topic and its types.